when somebody who is put into a position of high influence says to you, he's been given a task. Obviously, he knows that it's his task.
Yeah.
And he'd be like, Slee, how about you? How would you feel?
Yeah, uba ndingakunantsika. Yeah, ndikubeke phaa kokho ukwenza le nto befuneka yenziwe ndim.
You get my
Mhlawumbe wena ungayi-excela.
You get my point?
I
That's
hear you.
how they become great. In fact, the mentality has been drawn from the slave trade kind of mentality, whereby these slave masters use people who call themselves overseers. I understand. Then you see, Ubana, when you see an overseer, you are already seeing the image of the master.
Yeah,
We understand.
true.
Of which the master just gave out one instruction, not how. I understand, but he gave him the why, the reason why it should happen.
When.
We understand.
And where.
We understand, but how? It's up to him.
So, I like what you just said. I like what you just said, because ixesha elininzi, yes, we always judge sibabiza abantu ngama-rats in like even nakwi-field yomsebenzi.
Yeah.
Umuntu wenza into ayithunywe ngama-executives, and then we think that how they do it is because of they were told that,
which is very, very out of context. That's why a lot of people, well, I've learned it from me.
Yeah.
I'm not a good follower of instructions.
Okay.
I understand. I found that when I was doing, I think college was 2016 somewhere.
Yeah.
There's this girlie, she's a teacher. I don't know how qualified.
Yeah.
Then I think within 2 or 3 weeks I was already up to speed with the rest of the thing. So there was this, like, he was a grandfather to me at that time, because he seemed old, you understand, with mixed hair and so forth. So you'd understand a person of such age in the midst of technology and all, he's gonna be slow. So she was impatient with him. I understand. And I used to see that. So there was this other time to say, are you even sure that you are
called for this?
For this. We understand, because had you been called for, did you understand, Bana, this is a college situation. Any person from the age of 18 to 70 or 80 can be here. And now you have to adapt to their kind
generational
of
gap.
You
and
get
all
my
that.
point.
Yeah.
And me confronting that, it seemed as if I was,
you were rude.
Yeah, when Telela Neti, his caliber, I'm a student and she's a teacher. But I'm like, I'm telling the principal now to say, I think I'm the one who's doing the job better than her, even though I don't know that, how do you qualify for this job? And then it was still like, I always remember the guy. He said, no, come down. I know Bana will say so and you've excelled into this thing. You understand? And please, by all means, try to. So that's where I saw Banaman. There's some kind of thing that these institutions do in terms of, getting us people to teach us.
Yes.
Of which it's what has been happening. I understand, corruption and stuff. So all I'm saying is, those kind of people are always acting vulgar towards being advised, towards them being corrected. You understand? And I learned it through politics, but we'll talk about it.
This is where I was going.
Yeah.
That's the only place, or not place, that's the only movie where I've seen the importance of identification. Black Panther. Kuneli xesha uAthandwa Kani ezawungena utitshala. Ezongena efumana i-cousin yakhe imncatshile. Uthi ke ngoku xa seyiqonda ke ngokuba uyamconfronta, uthi ndixelele zichaza ubungubani. Ungubani bulumko?
Oh, it's a very simple question for me, but I shoot to this mode of mine.
Yeah.
I'm an oracle of spiritual revolution. ndathanjiswa mna ngabantu basekhaya ndingekazazi nozazi nomama engekazazi nozazi ngesiduko ndingumfene ngokuthamba singilisi ndinguhla ngevene ndingusanzaza ndingunqulunqu
Mago. Uzalwa ngubani?
ndizalwa nguXolani ngumfokakaleni nguhlathi omkhulu osuka kumhlaba wakukomane
Bayazi ngeQueenstown.
bayazi ngeQueenstown he's a very traditional man yabo yet he was groomed under the the Christianity kind of thing and in the caliber of ubuzion and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And ndizala intombi yakwamfukeni futhi.
Bendiza kubuza ufundle phi?
Ngumsuthu uyabo ngophuka.
Okay.
Apparently i-background yakhe from the father side she's Tsonga.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, wazala nguFred, but we do not know the other side because apparently stories of families names.
Yes.
Yeah, apparently she grew around this place. Yeah, but ukhama plaza bizwa ngokusela Lion Park.
Oh, ndiyayibona iLion Park ngale ku Cosmo.
Yes.
I see Lion Park.
Ukhulele phaya kweza plaza and she was grown by a Malawian grandfather.
Wow, young.
And that's where now the surname.
She has like una bits and pieces of, isn't it?
Yeah,
I love
yeah,
it. Yeah.
Where the family, the surname Kachangasele.
Yeah.
Most about bandazi Changasele. It comes from that granddad. I understand, and of which the granddad met umakhulu kamama.
Okay.
While they were trying to find things up across the place and so forth. And umama kamama by that time she came up Gauteng, and I think at the age of 14 because that's when she had my mom.
Okay.
My mom is the firstborn to
Yeah.
I understand, from Utata Tong Freddy.
Yeah.
And then well, because of family issues, apparently Utatake had to leave them behind, and he went on to Ekian. I think he comes from Ekian. That's what
yeah.
I understand. So, well, we're still like searching for that and whatsoever in along her way. Ohlati stuck around with us. My dad stuck around with us. I think Ufika Kwabeswane was 92, 93, somewhere there. And my dad met my mom in 96.
Yes. Yeah.
And then 97, this guy was born. It was a tough life, as they say.
Just we all know bushushu
so utamkhulu shushu was
guys ushushu the moment they mock you but you've got it njengo shushu.
I understand. So Utata Shushu was very close to my father's family because wayethandana nomamkhulu katata.
Okay.
Of which sister ka mama katata.
Yes. So even utabao katata.
Yes. Bebehlala eblock 1 ke by that time. Umamkhulu yeswathenga lentoza i-stand part. Both esithengelwa nguTata Shushu.
Okay.
Yabo. So uTata Shushu ndamazi kakhulu khona utata kuthiwa ngutata uMdungwa.
Cha andimazi.
Khona utata kuthiwa ngutata uMdungwa kuhlala kwaphaya kwesa strat uyakwazi kwanokuzula. Because there was a place called Kwanokzola. Bosa strat seludiri.
Yeah.
Ekuthengiswa le way.
Imbamba yakukhumbula kwanokzola yabona ludirile mengathi ngasesigangeni on the left hand side.
Yes,
khumbula kake
eback ke kwesa strat straight kwepassage kwanokzola kumzi kuthiwa kulotsukulo.
Ndiyakukhumbula kulotsukulo
and next door kulotsukulo bekuhlala umamkhulu wami. And then front opposite ne nakulotsukulo kuhlala umakhulu kamama. That's where my mom was living.
Okay.
That's where now the family is kind of like